Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Hint. So today's video we are going to talk about Terraform local values, and today's video we are going to discuss all these points. What is Terraform local values, how to use Terraform local values, and last one, how to use Terraform local values with Terraform variable. So now firstly we are going to what is Terraform local values. Terraform local values are functions, temporary local variables, and Terraform local do not change their values. So now we are going to second point, how to use Terraform local values. So let's see in Visual Studio Code. So the main benefit of using local variable in Terraform, you need to declare Terraform file at one place, and once you declare, then it is affecting your Terraform variable. So before run the code, let's understand the code in main.tf file. So firstly, we define provider, AWS provider, same as in our previous videos. Then I create AWS instance. That the name here Terraform demo. In AWS instance, I provide AMI and instance type. And instance type I have declared in variable.tf file, which I am trying to use t2.micro here. Then key name. Then now you can see here there is two more resources here. First one AWS VPC here, and second one AWS subnet. In today's video we have created multiple tags here, so that's why we are concerned about tag names. So here you can see each tag name starting with the name local underscore setup for VPC, for subnet, and last one for instance also. So now we will improve the file using Terraform local. So firstly you need to create local variable. So here I'm defining local variable. So firstly we create local tag, then in tag you can define variables. So here I'm defining local underscore setup. Then you can assign some values. So here I'm assigning the value local underscore demo. So after that, we need to define our variable name in our different tags like VPC, subnet, and instance. So you can see in tag here for here. Firstly, I assign dollar. Then in curly brace, firstly I define local dot then your variable name, that the local underscore setup. The same tag name with here for subnet and here for instance. So then here I am defining CIDR block here, which I have declared variable in variable.tf here. So now you can see we have declared only one variable and we are using same variable through different resources. So if you want to change the name, local name here, local demo 1, 2, or 3, then you don't need to change each tag. You just change in local and it will update automatically. So now save the two files and open new terminal and run the command terraform init, terraform plant, and terraform apply. Yes. So you can see it's create AWS VPC, AWS subnet, and AWS instance also. It takes some time. So you can see apply successfully. So let's check in AWS our instance. Firstly, go to EC2. So see, our instance name is Terraform demo, local demo Terraform demo. Now go to the VPC. So you can see two VPC are running. One is by default Amazon provide, and another one we have started, that the local demo VPC, and the last one subnet. And here by default AWS provide three subnet, and this one we have created, that local demo subnet. So now before we go into next point, I will destroy all these resources. So Terraform destroy. So yes, so it's destroying AWS instance, AWS VPC, and AWS subnet as well. So that's why it takes some time. So it's destroyed complete. So clear the screen and let's check. Successfully destroy for VPC, successfully destroy, and here also. So now we are going to next point, that is how to use Terraform local with Terraform variable. So firstly, copy the code, and paste here. So firstly, we are going to main.tf file. In this file, we define provider, then resource. In resource, we provide AMI, instance type, which I have declared in variable.tf, and key name. Then, before we going to local here, before we going to local variable, firstly you need to understand variable.tf file code. So here firstly we declare instance type that we define in main.tf. Then so now here I declare variable project name and environment. In this variable, firstly description. In description you need to assign some meaningful name, then type. So I have assigned string type, and then default. In default I have assigned project underscore name. So same as environment variable, firstly description, then type, and then default. In default I have assigned dev. So now go to the main.tf file. So here I am defining local variable, and firstly we create local tag, and in tag you can define a variable. So here I am defining local underscore demo, and here I am defining variable. So for dollar var dot project name, and hyphen, then dollar in curly brace var dot environment. So you can see in tag here, firstly I assign dollar and then curly brace and then I define local dot then your variable name and variable name that the local underscore demo. So now save the files and run the command terraform init then terraform plan then terraform apply. So yes, so it's creating AWS instance using local. So apply complete. So now let's check our AWS instance is creating or not. Go to the EC2 and see our AWS instance project name dev that terraform demo. Same here. The tag name terraform demo and in variable the default project name and dev. So now I will destroy the instance terraform destroy. So yes, so it's destroying. So it takes some time. So let's check. Successfully destroy. So thank you for watching our videos. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps Hint